The Hamburger Writing Strategy is a simple way to build a solid paragraph. It helps you structure your writing so it's complete and easy to follow. Start with the top bun. The top bun represents your topic sentence. It's the first sentence of your paragraph and it introduces your main idea. This sentence tells the reader exactly what the paragraph will be about. For example, there are many things you can do to stay healthy. Next are the fillings. The fillings are your supporting details. These are the sentences in the middle of your paragraph that give facts, examples, or explanations to support your topic sentence. Each filling adds a new piece of information. For example, first, you should eat healthy foods like fruits and vegetables. You also need to exercise for at least 30 minutes a day. Getting enough sleep is another important way to stay healthy. Finally, end with the bottom bun. The bottom bun is your concluding sentence. This is the last sentence of your paragraph. It wraps up your idea and links back to the topic sentence. It summarizes your paragraph and lets the reader know you're finished. For example, by eating well, exercising, and sleeping, you can live a healthy life. Now you can use the hamburger strategy to make your writing clear and organized.